Today's star of the shave is the Razor Company Caribbean Escape Soap Puck. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today we're doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat, and today the star of the shave is the Razor Company Caribbean Escape Soap Puck. I'm also using Genius Aftershave Splash and Balm from Vaniolet Pirates Cove. Of course, my beautiful bougie sprayer. And alpha brush and shaving synthetic brush and a beautiful Apothecary. And I'm gonna go a little crazy. I have so much confidence in this soap and the soap base and the way it protects your face. I'm using the razor from a dollar store with its own dollar store brigade. Let's get to shave. Wow. Today we're going to chat about being confident in one's ability and oneself, and also confident in a good product like the Razor Company shave pucks. I'm telling you, this is the fourth scent I use, and I have a couple of other ones, and they do not get their flowers. Oh man, this is a banger. This scent, I wish you could smell it. It's like a Caribbean drink. It's like I want to escape. Like a Caribbean escape, like its name said. God, if this had a matching splash, oh my god, I know it'll be off the hook. Look at that lather, that thin line of protection. Oh, that's all you need, a thin line. Anything else is just for show. Let me go over with this first pass. Oh, by the way, I hadn't shaved in like 4 days. You know, as you go on in your wet shaving journey or any type of journey in life, you're gonna have your peaks and your valleys. And for me, it's good to do good things in your peaks, but it's more special when it's at your valley, meaning your low point. And boy, this shave is really cheering me up. What do you think in the comments below? How do you step yourself up and prep yourself up for upsets in life and things that didn't go your way? But what do you do? For me, to cheer myself up, I love a good shave. Oh my god, I smell the fruit. It's like a passion fruit, pineapple, guava. Oh my god, you know me. I am a gourmand geek. Oh man. So far it's giving me that magic protection I need. It shows a great soap base and great technique work hand in hand. A wise person once told me, Jason, technique, 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 technique. Ooh. And I could have used some high-end razor with some high-end razor blade, but I didn't want to. I wanted to prove that this soap base could protect you. Oh man, you really got to get your hands on it. I advise anybody who's a wet shaver to give this soap base a try. A lot of good scents, and it lets me match the splash I want with it or the balm. And you know me, I'm OCD. I gotta have soap, splash, balm, soap, splash, gel, soap, splash, gel, balm, in that order. Oh, excuse me. Oh man, I really needed to shave. A lot going on, but with a beautiful community that I call my family by my side, and you can't go wrong. Look at this beautiful lather. After a while, it builds up. Oh my god, it's like a tropical drink. Non-alcoholic, of course. For me, I mean, I'm not speaking for you. Look at this beautiful look. It's maturing. Oh, man. Let's go for a third pass. Oh my God. This is, oh man, I'm getting lost in the smell. I'm sorry I'm doing more shaving and chatting than I usually do, but not one nick or cut. Shows what a good soap base is, and there's many good soap bases out there. Oh, let's rinse off. Oh man, I kind of shaved real fast. I shave like I eat fast. That's my personal preference. But I had a good time shaving. So yeah, what do you like to do that relaxes you? Let me know in the comments. Oh man. Woo. Also tried a new way of putting out my stuff so I can have more time to look into the camera. Very important, eye contact. Certain cultures deem eye contact as disrespect, but a lot of cultures is a sign of we're on the same page. Look at me rambling on like a fool. God, I'm smooth. I don't know, after a couple of days of not shaving, do you notice you get a better shave? Maybe because it gives you the time for your skin to heal. And for, you can actually take off more hair than skin. Let me know in the comments down below. Ooh. This is like a splash. To me, it smells similar. Oh, and the beautiful balm. Oh man. The balm is a little smoky, but not like too strong, but I like it's like a fruitness. Wow, you stayed to the end of this video? Thank you for blessing me with this. Let me go over my lineup again. Today I used a dollar store razor and its blade to prove a point that a good soap base could help cover up a lot of lower end razors and razor blades. Also great technique, remember. My bougie sprayer, of course. Genius Splash. Vanille Balm. Alpha Brush and Shave Company Synthetic Knot. A beautiful Apothecary Mug. And of course, the star of the shave is the Razor Company Caribbean Escape Soap Puck. Wow. If you have time, Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time Zone, go to Instagram. Go to the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live and see 4 great people talk about wet shaving gear and wet shaving stuff. And also, the greatest audience ever. Also, for all your wet shaving needs, please come to therazorcompany.com and thank you for watching this. And you are special. You are a winner and you matter. Have a beautiful life.